there, April Viesta next here with my mom, Aiko.
Hi.
We have another 5-minute high-intensity interval training workout for you today. A real quick hit.
Right.
All right, so what does it look like? 5 exercises, okay? All done just once, 30-second rounds, okay?
Right.
With 20 seconds of rest in between. So 5 minutes, we're in and out, okay? So you don't need any equipment for this workout. If you have loose rugs, please tape them down, secure them. Definitely have water handy. And my mom will be doing this one in the chair. I'll be doing it standing. All right, any thoughts, Mom?
Yeah, let's go.
All right, let's
we only
get
got 5 minutes.
That's right, let's get a quick hit in. All right, we'll take a quick pause here and get started. Hey, Mom, you want to have a seat?
Sure, thank you.
All right, very good. Let's just do a quick little warm up here.
Okay.
Before we get started on our nice 5-minute HIIT workout.
Yeah.
Okay, keep it going.
It's a quickie.
That's right, that's right. All right, give me some heel touches forward. Yeah, get those arms swinging. Nice, very good. And give you some nice reaches here. Reach, 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 reach. Okay, so our first move is basically we're gonna turn and punch out. Turn, punch out, turn, punch out, okay?
Good.
That's it, we're here for 30 seconds. Okay, nice. Just turning it, punching it out. Breathe. Good. If you're standing with me, you can turn into a little squat, mini squat here as we're turning. Breathe, everyone. Whew. I feel my heart rate getting up already. You?
Oh, yeah. You're really working it.
You too. You're doing great. And march it out. Okay, that was move 1.
All right.
Okay, 4 more left. Okay, breathe, everybody. Next one is basically you're stepping it out and just scooping it. Okay, step it out, scoop it. Right. You're just doing a little step out. You're with me? Kind of doing a little step touch here. Breathe. Yeah, scoop it, scoop it, scoop it, like a little scoop. Woo, little circle, scoop, and scoop, yes. Breathe. Keep it going, keep it going. Yeah. I'm doing a single arm. If you want to do a double arm scoop, you can do that too. But I'm just doing
show off? That's right, go ahead. It's good.
We don't mind show-offs.
I mean, we know you're getting strong.
That's right.
You should be getting strong.
That's right. Yeah, you ready for doing a double arm?
That's
Good for
right.
you. Okay, march it out. Yeah, so hey, congratulations to you on showing up. Even if it's for 5 minutes.
That's right.
Every day do some motion. It doesn't matter how long it is.
Right.
Okay? Now this next move is has a little bit more activity in it. Okay? So basically you're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Good. 2,
Like a little cha-cha.
3, yes. 1, 2, 3, and 1.
A stationary cha-cha.
That's right. 1, 2, 3. Do anything with the arms. 3, 2, 3, 1. Good. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Good. Keep it going.
Keep my arms in place.
2, 3, 1. Good. 2.
Can't do 2 things at one time.
1, 2, 3, and rest. March it out. Well, that one had to required your brain to really kind of think about it, right?
Yeah.
You're doing 3 steps, right, left, and center, okay? All right. Next move is basically step, touch, open, step, touch, close. Step, touch, open, step, touch, close. So you, Mom, just open, close, open, and close,
Trying to
okay?
hear my...
All right,
Okay,
step, touch. So
right.
open and close.
Sorry, I was
Open
checking my watch.
and close. Wow, you're multitasking. Yeah, you have to get somewhere?
Yeah, I
Are you
know.
have a date with the hot dog or something?
No,
What's going on?
I was just wanting to make sure I get all my steps in.
Ah, I see. Okay.
It had stopped.
I thought you had an appointment.
Wouldn't that be nice? Yes, can I have a hot dog? I'll meet you at 1.
You're gonna get there. I'm confident. Okay, march it out. Okay, we're closing this out. Can you believe this? This is like, we're almost at the end of our 5-minute quick hit workout. All right, this is super easy. Look at, she's already going for it. It's basically fast feet, everyone.
It's just fast feet.
That's fast feet, right?
I like fast
So
feet.
you move your feet as fast as you can. You can do this, okay? You can do marches with the high knees. You can do sprints with the high knees. Or you can do little feet with fast feet, right? Fast feet, and you do anything with the arms. Okay, let's go. This gets your heart rate up, everybody.
Oh boy, you're kidding.
You go as fast as you can, or then march, whatever. You do
I can feel it.
You do you. Okay, keep it going. A few more seconds. Go, 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 go. 5 more seconds. Breathe, 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 breathe. And rest. Oh, yes.
Oh, wow.
Did you feel your heart rate get up?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's up there.
Oh, yeah. Nice work on this HIIT workout. You burn calories, you burn some fat. Good for you. All right. All right, let's just cool it down real quick and easy. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Give me one more with that clap at the top. Inhale. Exhale down. Good. Reach. Center. And reach. Center. You need more cool down. Check out our cool down workout, which is about the length of time as the HIIT workout. All right. So nice job, everybody, on this quick HIIT. We look forward to seeing you real soon. And in the meantime, keep moving.
See you soon.